Vice Admiral Sanjay Sadhu, AVSM, NM assumed charge as the controller of warship production and acquisition. Commissioned in the Indian Navy in 1987, the Vice Admiral is a postgraduate in mechanical engineering and MPhil in defense and strategic studies. During his illustrious career spanning more than 38 years, the flag officer has tenanted several key operational, staff, and yard appointments. He has served on board the aircraft carrier INS Virat in different capacities and on board front-line frigates INS Brahmaputra and INS Dunagiri. Prior to his elevation to flag rank, he held many important assignments including Additional General Manager, Production, at Naval Dockyard, Mumbai, Commodore Superintendent of Naval Ship Repair Yard, Karwar, and Principal Director Marine Engineering at Naval Headquarters, New Delhi. He was also involved in the modernization and acquisition of the aircraft carrier Vikramaditya from Russia in various capacities in the project, including Senior Naval Engineer Overseer at Warship Overseeing Team, Russia, Director Aircraft Carrier Projects, and Principal Director Aircraft Carrier Projects at Naval Headquarters, New Delhi. On elevation to flag rank, he served as Additional Director, General Warship Design Bureau, Submarine Design Group, Chief Staff Officer, Technical, Eastern Naval Command, Admiral Superintendent Dockyard, Vishakhapatnam, and Chief Staff Officer, Technical, Western Naval Command. The flag officer has the rare distinction of heading to major dockyards on both the west and east coasts and being the Chief Staff Officer, Technical, of both the Western and Eastern Naval Command. He is an alumnus of Naval War College, Goa. For his distinguished service of a high order, the flag officer has been awarded the prestigious Ati Vishisht Seva Medal and the Nausena Medal by the President of India. Prior to taking over the new responsibility, the flag officer served as the Program Director, Advanced Technology Vessel Program at New Delhi. He has taken charge from Vice Admiral Rajaram Swaminathan, AVSM, NM, who is superannuating on 30th November after 38 years of distinguished service to the nation. During the tenure of Vice Admiral Rajaram Swaminathan, 8 ships were commissioned into the Indian Navy.